Hi, I'm John Gorecki, Supplies Channel Account Manager at Zebra Technologies. As the global leader in RFID technology, Zebra delivers the largest number of in-stock, on-demand RFID printing supplies, featuring the newest generation of RFID chips to support faster tag inventory and longer read ranges. Zebra RFID solutions can benefit every vertical segment by providing the real-time visibility you need to streamline operations, minimize errors in asset-related data, as well as track, identify, and maximize asset utilization. Only Zebra provides everything you need to implement RFID in your organization. With Zebra RFID label manufacturing capabilities, Zebra offers end-to-end RFID solution simplicity, carefully pre-tested supplies, access to a broad portfolio of Zebra RFID printers and readers, and industry-leading expertise to customize how you maximize the benefits of RFID for your enterprise. Zebra's RFID labels and tags are well suited for the MT&L vertical with numerous possible solutions both in stock and available in custom sizes. For example, Zebra's pallet RFID label is well positioned to reduce manual scanning, increase ease of use in locating product, manage throughput in distribution centers with greater accuracy at increased efficiencies. With more and more warehouse center operations managers looking for end-to-end visibility, the Zebra pallet label can provide that line of sight. For more information on how Zebra will help your organization maximize efficiencies with RFID, please contact us at the information you see on the screen.